Hey, how are you? I'm fine. Is it raining outside? I don't know. What a pleasant weather. I know. Your dress looks really pretty. Thank you. Thanks for the gift. Welcome. How are you? I'm fine. I think. I know. I don't know. Thank you. Welcome are most overused words and phrases. There are many words and phrases in the English language to be creative with. Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I am going to tell you alternative ways that you can use in your daily conversation. Number 1 on our list is how are you? Let's see some different ways to ask this question. You can say what's up? This one is really informal and usually used with friends. Some other alternatives are how's it going? How's everything? How are things going? How have you been? What are you up to? When someone asks you, how are you? What do you usually come out with? Fine or I'm fine? I can tell you there are many ways to reply to this question. Instead of saying same old words, I'm fine. You can say very well. I'm good. I'm doing well. I'm alright. I'm great. And when you are feeling really good, you can say I'm on cloud 9. It's an idiom that is used to express how amazing you feel. Another overused phrase is I know. To know something is to be aware of it. Let's see what can be used in place of I know. You can say I see. I understand. I get it. I see your point. This is another phrase which can be used in a similar way to I see. Next is I don't know. This phrase is used when you don't understand or know something. Instead of saying I don't know, you can say I'm not sure. I'm not really sure. I haven't a clue. Or you can also say let me check on that. This means you are willing to put in some work to get the information. You can use different phrases as you start speaking instead of saying I think. You can say in my opinion, in my view. If you ask me, I consider, it seems to me that, I would say. How do you usually respond when someone thanks you? Welcome. But welcome isn't the only way to respond when someone thanks you. Let's see some alternative ways to say welcome. You can say, you are very welcome. My pleasure. I'm glad to help. Anytime. I'm happy to help. All these words and phrases mean that you were happy to help. And most important, don't forget to smile. Let's look at 15 different ways to thank someone. The simplest way to thank is thank you or thanks. Some other ways to thank are I'm very thankful, thanks a bunch, thanks a lot, thanks a million. You made my day. You're a dear. All I can say is thanks. If you want to thank someone formally, you can say thank you for contacting me. Thank you for your reply. Many thanks for your email. If you want to thank someone who has done a favor for you, you can say that's very kind of you. I really appreciate your help. This means a lot to me. I can't thank you enough. I'm really grateful. No matter what phrase you choose to use, the most important thing, it should come from your heart. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.